Hello and welcome to a no-nonsense guide on how to get rid of background noise on Audacity.
So that clip I recorded does have a fan on in the background, and this guide will teach you how to remove it. So nothing too scary, we're just going to be clicking next to our clip that we have recorded, and we are going to openly record our microphone without saying anything. You want to make it between 10 and 14 seconds. The longer the better really, it just gives Audacity more information on what's going on in the background of your audio file. Once you've recorded something, highlight the blank audio piece and then head up to the top of the application to the menu that says Effect. Then Noise Removal and Repair, and finally Noise Reduction. In this menu, you want to press the button at the very top that says Get Noise Profile. By doing this, we have taught Audacity what sort of noise audio we would like to remove from the background of our clip. The next step is to highlight the original clip going into the Effect menu, Noise Removal, and then Noise Reduction. The second half of this menu will show lots of different sliders. There is a preview button here at the bottom left corner. If you are happy with what you hear, press OK. Once you are back on the timeline, we can test your final audio clip.
Hello and welcome to a no-nonsense guide on how to get rid of background noise on Audacity.
And there we have it. You are done. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has helped you. If you wouldn't mind helping me back by leaving me a subscribe, it would mean the world to me.